The emergency alert system has issued a child abduction situation. A 17-year-old girl, Jennifer Renzetti, the daughter of the famous animator, Rob Renzetti, has been kidnapped this night at 8:32 p.m. It's unknown who is the kidnapper. Please stand by until we know who kidnapped the girl.
We have finally found the kidnapper Jennifer Renzetti. A 67-year-old Gerald Watson has kidnapped Jennifer Renzetti. And that's how he looks like. Please, we order you to do the following things: activate your alarms, close your windows and curtains. Make sure to have the battery-powered radio. We repeat, activate your alarms, close your windows and curtains. Make sure to have the battery-powered radio. If you don't do these following things,